Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is NCK 2310, and I'm here showing you the way to go to watch a football match. Our team, Bayern Hammarby, is playing today, so we are walking. So walk with me as we go to the stadium to watch football, to watch our team playing here in Stockholm. Our favorite team, Hammarby, Bayern, as it's called. Okay? So, this is Stockholm. We're going to watch football at Tele2. Wait, Tele2 changed the name. What's the name now for Tele2? Dre Arena. So the arena used to be called, the place used to be called Tele2. Now it's called Dre Arena. So that's where we are going. Let me try to zoom for you, so you'll know where our team most of the time plays home game. Okay, when I zoom over there, that's over there is the Globen, Stockholm Globen. That's over there, the white one that you see. You're gonna see it soon when we are close there. So we parked our car somewhere and we are taking a more nice walk there, because if we park at the garage, when the match is over, it's gonna take us a long time to get out of the garage. So we have to, I think I can zoom from here. I'm coming. I zoom from here because we're gonna go to Arena 3, that over there. That's where we are going, on that there. You see there? That arena, that's where we are going. But right now we walk this way. So when you see people with the scarf like mine, like this scarf over here, then you know it's our team, Bayern team. Okay? See, people are already sitting, celebrating. So let's go like this. Oh, today is cold. Yesterday was very nice weather here in Stockholm, but today is not. You see all those people you see with green scarves? That's our team. They support our team. So let's see how the game will go. And Hammarby, they have, so you see how many people are supporting our team? Thousands and thousands. All these people you see, they're all going to watch Bayern playing. All the people that you see. We are going over there at that arena. So walk with me, don't get tired. Many supporters, all of us are heading the same direction. We are going over there. So walk with me. Green Arena. That's where we are going. Mm-hmm. Yes, usually we have, that's why it's Globen shopping, shopping at the Globen. So for those who are coming in, this NCK 2310, and I am on my way to go to watch my team play. It is Hammarby or Bayern. All the people you see having green scarves, we support Hammarby. This is the area. So we're going over there. It's arena. That's where we're going. So walk with me as we go to watch football match. Hammarby have a lot of supporters, very many supporters. So we're gonna meet also with our friends here. That's why we're waiting for our friends so that we can all go in. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, come in. So let me walk a little bit here with you. I will then return because we're gonna meet with our friends over here. So we're gonna go there. You see where it's written 3 Arena. You see there? That's where we are going in. That's where the match is taking place. And there are so many people that support our team. Yeah, I'm just want to make here for you a little bit for the Globen, so you can. Let me show you the Globen. Let me move over here. So also on this round white building, you see there? That's the Stockholm Globen. And when you see over there, sometimes we go up with them. You can go up all the way with that. You see that? That's the Globen. Many times there are concerts and stuff like that on that Globen. And then beside there, over there, the Globen, that's the 3 Arena. So as you can see over there, that's the 3 Arena. So that's where we're gonna go to watch the match. So wish us all the best so that our team can win. And please don't forget to touch the subscribe button to support me. Some people, when they come here if you come here, for the sky view, Globen, many people can stay in that hotel, Quantity Hotel, it's inside here. Yeah, as you can all see. All right, I thank you, and we catch up with the next video. Remember to support me, touch the subscribe button, you can like, comment, and share as well. And welcome to 3 Arena. Please watch the next video. Bye bye.